Is your computer acting up in Cape Coral? Don't worry about the cost of repairs. We've got you covered with affordable solutions. At Fix My Computer Cape Coral, we bring reliable and fast repair services right to your doorstep, whether at home or the office. Our expert technicians handle everything from virus removal to hardware upgrades. No job is too big or small for our skilled professionals. Concerned about repair costs in Cape Coral, Florida? We offer competitive pricing with no hidden fees, ensuring transparency and affordability. Call us today at 239-382-7247 for a free estimate. Our services include virus and malware removal, hardware repair, software troubleshooting, and data recovery. Wondering how to fix your computer? Let our experienced technicians handle it. With years of expertise, we ensure your computer is in good hands. We prioritize your convenience with fast response times and flexible scheduling. Don't let a slow computer hold you back. Call 239-382-7247 now to get back up and running.